Welcome. I invite you to get into a nice, comfortable position, and you can begin with your eyes closed. And just notice all the different sensations you are experiencing right now. Like a cloud of sensations all happening at once. Even with your eyes closed, what you can see, the sounds, smell, what you can taste, and what you're feeling. All happening at once. And can you, without controlling your experience right now, accept how you feel? Your emotions. You're just observing and just being aware of what's happening for you right now. And then just focusing on the body. Where's your attention being drawn to? Any tension or tightness? And with no intentional relaxing, no trying to control this experience, can you just let your tension or tightness or uncomfortability just be there? And with the sounds that are coming and going around you, including the sound of my voice, can you not try to control what you're focusing on? And just becoming aware of what thoughts are coming and going. and without trying to control your thoughts or think of anything in particular or focus, can you just let your thoughts come and go? And if you notice yourself becoming annoyed or frustrated with something you're experiencing, can you just become aware of what your relationship is with that sound or thought or feeling? And just let that story, those feelings, that tension just come and go. We often want life to be perfect in a certain way so that we can feel safe. And this leads to often over controlling reality. Continue to just accept whatever is happening right now. And for the next couple of minutes, can you just let your mind wander to wherever it wants to go without trying to control it, without trying to focus? And I wonder if you could today just notice that tension or desire to control your reality arising, wanting you to react. But could you for today just accept and just let it go, whilst you simply be? And then when you're ready, give yourself a wonderful inner smile and come back to your surroundings. This type of meditation, which had no music today, quite important to help you relax into the moment, which can feel difficult with a brain that's been conditioned into seeking perfection for safety. And just noticing today, whatever arises for you in a situation, a thought, a feeling, if you were not to try to control it, but just stood back and became the observer and stopped resisting, I wonder what that would do for you. I wonder what would happen next. Thank you so much for listening to the Mindset Change podcast with me, Paul Sheppard, your host, your teacher, your mentor. If you enjoyed this simple meditation, please do subscribe, leave me a review, and please do share it with someone you feel could do with this type of meditation to help them stop resisting life, but to calm down and simply be in the present more often. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.